brides-to-be, what a beautiful, simple, budget-friendly table decoration for a fall wedding reception. Check out my video on how to do it yourself to make these glass candelabras. This elegant table decoration is simply glass candelabras with floating candles and fall leaves arranged around them to create this classic look. I have left the links below in my description. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, "I am a bride," or "I subscribed," and I will try my best to answer all of the comments. Thanks again for watching my content.